Search is evolving faster than ever. For years, businesses focused on ranking in Google, optimizing keywords, building links, and chasing algorithms. But now, that's no longer enough. Large language models, AI systems like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Perplexity are rewriting how people find information. Instead of typing a query and scrolling through links, users now ask AI for an answer. And that AI pulls from many sources to create one clear response. Welcome to the era of LLM SEO, where your content isn't just trying to rank, it's trying to be referenced. LLM SEO stands for Large Language Model SEO. It's about making your content easy for AI systems to understand, trust, and cite. Traditional SEO was about impressing Google's algorithm. LLM SEO is about impressing AI readers, those systems that read and interpret your content to provide accurate, reliable answers. That means your content needs to be clear, easy for both humans and AI to interpret, structured, organized with headings, bullet points, and schema markup, credible, backed by trustworthy, verifiable information. AI-driven search is already reshaping how people discover products and services. If your content isn't clear or easy for AI to read, you risk disappearing from this new kind of search. But if your site is well-structured and authoritative, AI can spotlight you, even when users never open a Google search. Here's how to stay ahead. Write naturally. Focus on clarity, not keywords. Structure your content for both humans and machines. Keep information accurate and fresh. Build trust with consistent, data-backed insights. And test how AI tools see you. Ask ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity questions about your industry. If SEO has evolved from keywords to mobile to voice search, now LLM SEO is the next big shift, rewarding clarity, credibility, and structure. If you want your business to stay visible in an AI-powered search world, it's time to optimize for both search engines and the AIS reading your content. You're not showing up, it's time to adjust. Faster Solutions helps businesses adapt with AI-driven SEO and content strategies. Visit fastersolutions.com to start shaping your future in search.